Hey class 4, good morning to all of you. Once again, welcome back. And as you can see here, it is chapter 1, the sentence. So in today's video, we will solve all the exercises of chapter 1 because chapter 1 was explained in the previous videos. So you can see here chapter 1, sentence. Here exercise number 1 is in exercise 1, which is very simple, and we also solved till exercise 3. Here we have to take the correct sentence and cross the wrong one which are not proper sentence. Second is exercise 2. Rearrange the following group of words, form a meaningful sentences, use capital letters, full stop appropriately. First one is, so let me zoom. Here first one you can see bath every day I take. So it will become I take bath every day. Second is car, 4 wheel or has. A car has 4 wheels. Next is number 3. Arpita is my sister. Then we must obey our elders. Fifth, children are playing together. If you have written, then you should match. The night is very dark. Seventh, I am eating food. Eighth, the cow has a tail. I am proud of my country. 10th, she sang a sweet song. The train stopped at the station. 12th, the tiger is our national animal. 13th, Sneha is reading a book. 14th, he is my brother. The book has colorful pictures. Next, in exercise C, what we should do here, it is written that add suitable words to the following groups of words to form complete sentences. It means half of the sentence is given, we should complete it. Okay, here the teacher is writing on the blackboard. Number 2, students are playing football. Please give me a glass of water. We love our parents, siblings or friends. I like to eat dosa, burger and chow mein. I can speak 3 languages. She looks stunning in red gown. The child is sleeping. We must respect our elders. I bought a new car. We should not waste water. We should wear cotton clothes in summer. Switch off the electric current before touching that machine. We cannot live without water. And the last is children are playing in the park. So these exercises were your homework. Now let's start today's class. Here in today's class, we will learn what are the different kinds of sentences and how we will identify the kind of sentence. So here you can see, read the sentences given below. How old are you? Where do you study? Who is your best friend? So you can see all the above sentences ask a question. Such a sentence that are asking question are called interrogative sentences. They start with a capital letter and end with a question mark. So this is the first type of sentence. Next is read the sentence given below. Close the door. Walk carefully. Please get me a glass of water. So from reading these sentences, we know that in these sentences you can see these are type of command, request or advice. So such sentences are called imperative sentences. Those sentences which are ask a question are called interrogative sentence. The sentences which show command, request, advice, these are called imperative sentence. And the third is read the sentences given below. How beautiful the Taj Mahal is! What a pretty dress this is! Alas, he lost his father. So above sentences of sudden feeling of sadness, amazement and joy. So those sentences which show some kind of sadness, some kind of amazement or joy, these are known as exclamatory sentences. So next is number 4. Read the following sentences. I like to eat chocolates. The boy is sleeping. This is my book. The above sentences are statements. They don't ask a question. They don't give commands. Each of the above sentences states or says something. So they start with a capital letter and end with the full stop. So these type of sentences are called assertive sentences. Assertive sentences may be positive or negative. If we use no, not, never, nothing, so these are called negative sentences. For example, I like to eat chocolates. If we have to change this into negative, then we should use do not. I don't like to eat chocolates. The boy is sleeping. The boy is not sleeping. This is my book. This is not my book. So next is exercise 4. In exercise 4, you can see, I hope you all understood how many types of sentences are there. There are 4 kinds of sentences: interrogative, imperative, assertive and exclamatory. Now read the sentences given below. Write A for assertive statement or sentence, N for negative statement, Q for interrogative sentence and I for imperative sentence. So first one is, where are you celebrating your birthday? So this sentence starts with WH family and ends with a question mark. So this is question. Q for interrogative. I like home cooked food. This is assertive sentence. You must drink a lot of water. That is imperative sentence. Next is, she did not go to the doctor. Did not, negative, and for negative sentence. Get out of my room, imperative sentence. Seema cleaned the house nicely, assertive sentence. Please give me a glass of water, imperative sentence. Where do you live? Q, that means interrogative. Which is your favorite game? Q. I will learn my lesson today, assertive. I have not completed my work. Not, negative. Kindly visit my house tomorrow, assertive. Anirudh is my best friend, assertive. Do you like to play football? That is Q. Now in exercise number 5, you can see, change the following positive statements into negative. Now positive statements are given. Now we should change them into negative. I am happy today. I am not happy today. I am ready for the party. I am not ready for the party. Sonu can run fast. Sonu cannot run fast. We will leave today. We will not leave today. We should play this game. We should not play this game. 6. Snaya is skipping the rope. Snaya is not skipping the rope. Children are playing in the ground. Children are not playing in the ground. Close the window. Don't close the window. Ranjana is sleeping. Ranjana is not sleeping. Kavita is dancing. Kavita is not dancing. Pooja is learning her lessons. Pooja is not learning her lessons. She has a beautiful dress. She hasn't a beautiful dress. Now next is 13 number. I have money with me. I have no money with me. They were ready to go. They were not ready to go. Get me a glass of water. Do not get me a glass of water. So that's at about exercise number 5. In exercise number 6, you can see, study the examples below and convert the following statements into interrogative. It means now simple statements are given, we should change them into interrogative sentence. So by putting in front the helping verb and put a question mark at the end of the sentence, our sentence will become interrogative sentence. For example, here you can see I am fat. So here you can see am is helping verb. If we put am, amm in front and at the end of the sentence we put a question mark, this will become interrogative sentence. The same we will do with the next sentence. She can help me. Can she help me? Can she help me? Question mark. She has completed her work. Has she completed her work? Question mark. Now, the road is narrow and bumpy. Is the road narrow and bumpy? Put a question mark. She will be rewarded by principal. Will she be rewarded by the principal? Question mark. Snaya has written the letter. Has Snaya written the letter? Here you can see spelling is Letter, letter. Next is the dog is barking. Is the dog barking? Is Mahesh an honest man? The questions are difficult. Are the questions difficult? The river was deep. Was the river deep? Next, the little child is sleeping. Is the little child sleeping? Anamika is writing neatly. Is Anamika writing neatly? We can stand here. Can we stand here? It is sunny today. Is it sunny today? Simran was speaking the truth. Was Simran speaking the truth? The school is far from here. Is the school far from here? 14th, mother will make snacks for me. Will mother make snacks for me? Last, she has made chocolates for me. Has she made chocolates for me?